In this video, we'll talk about report definitions and how to use it in Hybris. So a view type is referred as a report definition. And what you can do with that is you can generate reports or create calculated results using Flexiblesearch query. And you can make these queries dynamic if you would like. Let's look at a use case. As a business user, I need to generate reports frequently to view products based on its approval status. Now what that means is, pretend you have in real-time scenario, you receive product feeds every night, and based on that feed, you have certain products that their status is in a different than approved, then you need to take action on that. So you need to generate those reports. Okay, this is the query. Basically, you're selecting 3 columns. You can add as many columns as you need. Then from the table, product, and you have the parameters here. So now let's look at that. Expand system in Backoffice, go to report definition. Now I have already created one, but I'm going to walk you through it. So let's have another instance open. So I have Chrome and I have Firefox. In this, you will add a query. This query we have added here. Okay. So we have these 3 columns. What you need to do is first define a name for this. Let's say reports. Okay. We're not going to really create this one because I already have one, but I'll walk you through it. So give it any name you like. And under the columns, you're going to define all these 3 columns. So product, and you're going to use a string here. Where that comes from is from your items.xml. So your code is basically, or your name, the name is a localized string and your code is a string. Okay, so we're gonna give that, or no, this is the localized. That's where the name. We're using the alias name when we're defining the column. And same thing for code. We're gonna use the alias for that. Define another column. This is a string. Close. And now the other one is product status. Okay, now for product status, if you notice, it is article type or the approval status. Okay, and for that, if you look in the items.xml for catalog this time, you'll see the approval status type is article approval status. So we're going to use this one and product status, product status. And that's it. Now you have 3 columns created. For the params, you'll use the same thing, article approval status, like this. And then you have catalog version is the type for this cat here, catalog version, and that's it. That's all you have to do here. Done. I'm seeing an issue. Probably I missed something, but since we already created, we're gonna look into that. Okay, so this is the same query. I'm gonna show you. See, name, product catalog, approval status from, where, catalog version. Okay, we have the 3 columns defined: product name, product code, product status. We have the catalog version and also the status. Okay, now click on this search by type. box here. Expand this back. Now let's remove this and re-edit approval or the apparel. Usually doesn't come. Okay, apparel product catalog. And we have 3 different statuses here. So we're going to choose approved and click on search. You're going to see 1930 results. Okay, now let's change the status to check. Okay, we only have 3. Now let's change that again and try to make changes now to one of the product and see if it appears. So 45577. I have another instance here. Let's go to products. Order. There you go. Catalog. Let's go to products. And the product we saw here, 45577. 45577. We're going to see staged or online, not the staged, and change the status, the approval status. If you hover over this, you'll see the name of the column. Now let's make this a check and go back here and search. Now you see this product showed up here. These 2 columns, these are the parameters, and these show up out of the box. So don't worry about these for now. But if what you can also do is, if you need to see an Excel sheet for that, you can also generate it. So you go here, downloads, list. You see the 3 columns got generated. Okay.